This is the Kaia crypto multi-year reading for the years 2024 through 2029. Currently, it's January 29th, 2025, 7:38 p.m. Eastern Time. Kaia at the time of this reading, 0.18791, or just under 19 cents USD. And the shuffle video for the multi-year reading was created on December 21st, 2024, 3:57 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video playing in the lower left corner. So if you're new to the channel, we're going to go over the theme, the general theme for the period of time 2024 through 2029. We're also going to give you information about the chart behavior around the highest high for that multi-year period, and the same thing, chart behavior around the lowest low. And then we'll get into the year-by-year chart behavior for you. It's important to understand that we're predicting the sequence of chart events. The timing is usually on point to the year, but with the multi-year reading, it can be as much as plus or minus 2 years of wiggle room. It's the sequence of chart events that's most important to follow. So make sure you understand that, guys. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you a little bit as far as what to trade for the highest high and the lowest low timing for this period of time. That's something that you get in the total access subscription. As well as Discord trade alerts and live trading view charts. I'll show you how to get that subscription at the end of the video. So the overall theme of behavior, there's a resistance level highlighted on a multi-year scale that we failed to break through many times. We failed to break through it many times throughout the years of 2024 through 2029. Behavior on the highest high, we have a prominent move higher on a multi-year scale, followed by a full retracement back down, and then most likely we have a short squeeze or just like a really big move out of oversold territory out of the multi-year low in 2024, which we'll check this against the chart in just a moment. But in 2024, we have a rally that's halted by a decline through key support. In 2025, we should have a rally into key resistance, very likely the same resistance that we talked about in the theme that we failed to break through many times before. And we should rally into that resistance, followed by a decline out of that resistance, probably more decline than incline into the resistance. So we probably decline past, after meeting the resistance, probably decline past the point at which the rally started that took us into that said resistance there in 2025. In 2026, a lot of price change covered. We see the resistance level highlighted again, and a lot of price change involved around an important support level on a multi-year scale. There's likely a peak there as well, like a prominent higher full retracement. And then that full retracement will take us into sideways fluctuating decline that'll continue into 2027, probably to a trough, an important trough on a multi-year scale on the cusp of 2027, 2028, where we'll, on 2028, have a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines, followed by a fast, sudden move higher in 2029, fast, sudden move higher on a multi-year scale. And then it looks like we attempt to establish support in 2030 to 2039. And that's like not the most bullish indication, not the most bearish indication for the 2030 or for the 2030 to 2039 period. I probably would just avoid this and find a coin that looks more promising. But with all that said, guys, let's take a look at 2024 and see if that lines up at all with what we're saying. It's a good way to do kind of like a litmus test when you have part of the reading already completed. And that's just it. We have this rally halted by a decline through key support. It looks like this is the key support. We're probably declining through it into early 2025, it looks like. So that's pretty solid. And then at some point we should have matter of fact, we likely go lower. We likely go lower than this price level of 11 cents or 12 cents, 11 cents roughly in 2025 at some point. There's a few trades in here, but I think probably the best trade, or one of the best trades, is going to be in 2027 at a prominent trough on a multi-year scale. Probably on the cusp of 2027, 2028, you could open up a long and look to close that long in 2029 after that fast sudden move higher. I'll talk about another trade in the total access version, as well as timing the highest high and the lowest low for the multi-year period. Guys, if you're interested in total access version, and the Total Access subscription, which gets you access to the live Discord trade alerts, live updated trading view charts, not just for this crypto, but for quite a few. What you want to do is go to tarotfortraders.com. You hover over order now, click on subscriptions, and you want the Total Access subscription. You get access to the S&P 500 Discord. You get access to all of these, the monthly subscription, all these crypto and ticker symbols we predict by the day on a monthly basis, and then by the week on a yearly basis. All of these are covered for 2025. Many of them will be covered for 2026. And as more 2025s and 2026s and 2027s come out, you would have access to all those. Not to mention any multi-year reading, you get the paid version. You basically have access to everything with the Total Access subscription. It's $500 a month, $5,000 for the year. Much love and appreciation. Everybody that goes ahead and does that. It's our most popular subscription. And blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.